G'day, today we are talking about how to take care of your tires. Joining me here today is Carl, our new sales representative. Here are some tips you need to know how to take care of your 4x4 tires. Proper tire pressure is necessary in giving you the best tire performance, safety and fuel economy. Remember to frequently check your tires with the accurate tire pressure gauge.
The recommended level can be found on your vehicle's plate card or in your vehicle owner's manual. Maintaining a proper tire pressure is the single most important thing you can do to help your tires last longer and stay durable.
Avoid excessive tire spinning when your vehicle is stuck in the snow, ice, mud or sand. This may cause tire overheating and tire damage.
When your tires reach 1.6 mm in thread depth, try to replace as soon as possible. All new tires have thread wear indicators that appears as smooth banks in the thread grooves when they wear to 1.6 mm level. Extensively worn tires are also more likely to suffer punctures.
At least once a month, inspect your tires for signs of damage in their general condition. That is important for your safety.
Don't overload your vehicle over the specific load capacity of your tires. Overloading your vehicle places stress on your tires and other critical vehicle components. This can also cause poor handling, increased fuel consumption and may cause tire damage.
Rotate your tires every 10,000 kilometers to prevent your tires from changing shape and size over the time. Therefore, your tires need to be balanced every now and then.
Here at N1 4x4 we have high standards of checking our second-hand tires before we sell them to our customers to ensure the best product and service. Also to make sure that our clients stay safe on the road.
We greet you here with safe rolling miles from our team here at N1 4x4.